Hey everybody, welcome back. My name is Austin and today we are going to be working on the door and finishing the inside of the chicken coop. And this is a video that is 6 weeks in the making. That's how long it's taken us to build the run and the coop. And so I'm hoping that this is the last video of the series and that our chickens and our ducks will have a new home by the end of today. Let's get building. Took all day to build the door. Yay. I love that. I love spending an entire Sunday building a door. Honestly, from far away though, it looks good.
It does look good.
It looks good. So up close, we weren't really sure about the stain color, even though it matches the run, but on the white, it looked a little aggressive, maybe?
Very aggressive.
Yeah, but from a distance, I think it looks really good, so.
It does.
All right.
Nice job.
Thank you for your help. We're gonna enjoy the night, and I don't know when we'll pick up the camera again, but next time we pick up the camera, we'll see you then.
Cheers.
Cheers. Good morning, everyone. Today the plan is to finish the coop. I'm amazed I'm saying that. Hopefully, more or less finish the coop. We're gonna work on the indoor part of the coop. So what that's gonna look like is we are going to be building kind of like calling it like a faux wall, where, door slamming, where there's gonna be a wall here that's gonna be made out of 2x4s and then some of the wiring that we use for the run. And then there'll be a door right here that we can open up to access the coop. And so the back side of the coop will be where the chickens are, and then the front side will be storage for food, bedding, other materials, things like that. So that's the plan, and then once we finish that, we're going to be putting the hole for the chickens to get into the run and tying up some loose ends. But I think today, or for sure this week, the coop is going to be done, and the chickens are going to be living the life of luxury in this coop. So we're going to be building this wall. Let's do it. So we built the half walls and they look pretty good, and the next step I'm going to do is to put some ledges here, just to kind of cover. These roosters, I swear, are so loud. I mean, we might be having chicken stew tonight. I'm gonna go and put on some shelves here to cover this up and to give some storage space, and maybe butcher a chicken. So we got the ledges on. The next step is to put the hardware cloth on, and that's going to go up pretty easily. So I'm gonna go pre-cut that, and we will set that up, and we'll have 2/3 of the wall done. I don't think I'm gonna be able to build the door though, because I don't have enough of the right wood. I don't have enough 2x4s, so the projects continue. All right, we got the walls up, and like I said, we need some more 2x4s to build the door, which is okay. But I'm going to build a little, I'm calling it a litter box, but it's a box that's going to sit underneath the roost. And then I'll put like sand or sawdust or something in there, and that will make cleanup and harvesting the manure, I don't know if that's the right term, but grabbing the manure from the chickens a lot easier. So, and we have a lot of like scrap wood that I would like to make good use of it. So we're gonna make a litter box.
I've been feeling so small. Watch the clock ticking off the wall. But tonight I'm letting it go. Spend my coin for sure. I'm gonna be myself, or I could be someone else. No one's stopping me now. I'm gonna skip my breaks. I'm gonna make mistakes. I just wanna feel alive. It's just what I do when
I went to go grab a different tool, and I have locked myself inside of the run. The wind blew the door shut. So, Sarah's home. We'll see how long this takes her to come outside. I might scream, maybe she'll hear me. But, yeah, we definitely need a latch on the inside somehow, or a way to get out, because Sarah locked herself in and now I did. Oh goody. There is a stick, shoot, that I got into the hole on the latch. Hey chickens, why don't you make yourself useful and help me get out of here? Okay, get out, go, come on. Oh, look at that. Look at that. Like a true champion. That makes my day. That was worth the stress of not knowing how to get out. The last thing we're gonna try and do is we're gonna try and build something that allows us to fill up from the inside, but the food and the water is gonna be outside in the run here. So I'm gonna create some sort of little box, and then on the inside some large funnel, we'll call it, that can fit a full bag of feed. And then, yeah, I think it's gonna kind of come down at an angle and then out. I have this vision, and we'll see how well it works, but I'm gonna go ahead and try and build that. And then, yeah, we'll see how this goes. So, all right, we're closing in on the final run of everything. No pun intended.
so try not to hold me down. Feel alive when I'm in this town. Look at these beautiful stars. I wanna drive a faster car. Nothing can break me, no, nothing can break me. Try not to hold me down. Feel alive when I'm in this town. Look at these beautiful stars. I wanna take a trip to Mars. Nothing can break me, no, nothing can break me.
We have finished the coop, pretty much 97, 98% of it. Basically, I just have to put a door here and a doorknob out there, and then we're done. It's just like, holy cow, this has been a project for sure, but it feels really good to have it, for all intents and purposes, done. I'm gonna still need to get a couple more bags of bedding, just for the deep litter method that we're gonna do in here. But yeah, just like huge, just exhale, because this has been the biggest project for sure that we've done on our homestead since we've moved here. And yeah, it's been over a month and a half, I think, in the process of making this. So the only thing left to do is we're gonna wait for Sarah to get home, and we're gonna see her reaction. It's probably gonna be underwhelming, but we'll see what she thinks about it when she gets home.
Wow! Oh my gosh! Did you put eggs in there?
I had to put eggs eggs in the nesting box so that they know where to lay.
Yeah. Oh, I love it.
It's gonna do it for this week's video. I think this will be the last build video because I'm not gonna make another video for just the minor things, but we will do one final video on the coop, like a final tour, which I think will be good. So check that out when that comes out. But yeah, this is just I don't know. It's just crazy. It's done.
Yeah, and
So.
it looks lovely.
Yeah, and we'll do some like landscaping and stuff too. But
Yeah.
this was a big project,
Yeah.
and yeah, it
And
just
you
feels
did
good.
all of it.
You helped with some stuff, so your skills lie in other places, which is fine. So yeah, I just want to thank you guys for watching all the videos or just this video. Do you want to say hi, Mabel? Hello. Oh, don't hurt me. Okay, this is a bad decision. Yeah, thank you for watching these videos because it's fun to build them, but it's also fun to make the videos. So
Yeah.
yeah, I don't really have anything else to say.
Thanks.
Peace.